Are you having trouble organizing your car with a toddler? Well, I'm going to show you some quick mom hacks, including this tackle box, right now. Hi everybody, my name's Ruby and welcome to my channel Rubylicious, where I show you how to do DIYs, mom hacks, and lifestyle videos. But today, for all of those that are having problems organizing their car with a 2-year-old or even an infant, this is for you. I have fine-tuned my organization in my car. I'm pretty proud of. And part of it is an emergency identification sticker that I put on the actual car seat in case I'm unconscious or unable to respond in a car accident for my child. I also keep a birth certificate copy and a vaccination copy for my daughter in a clear plastic protector wedged between my actual middle console and front driver's seat. Also, other things are a shoe organizer that I got from Walmart for less than $10. Also, other things are with a tackle box. So I'm going to show you more about that. So this is my emergency tackle box. I keep this in the trunk of our car. So my brother said that, hey, why don't you film this on YouTube? It's a really good idea. So here I am. This is just like a fishing tackle box. You never know when you'll have an emergency. So these are just masks for whatever reason. If someone is sick in the car and is coughing. And here, let's zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so what do we have? First row, I have here tweezers, extra contact lens if I lose one, and some nail clippers. These are all band-aids. You never know when you need some clear tape. If you have any acid reflux, you can have this. Alcohol wipes for any reason. Then I have here dental floss and Q-tips. Hydrocortisone cream, you never know if someone gets a bug bite or needs one. A thermometer. I used to work at the hospital, so this was like an extra one. Some scissors. Now when you lift the tackle box, first layer is done, going down to the second layer. So these are all the emergency stuff I have. You never know when you need a sewing kit to mend things. So I don't know where we got this. This is old, but needles are in here, buttons, safety pin. Next we have, pads for women's health, anti-diarrheal for adults, Benadryl, Tylenol. That's more anti-diarrheal, and naproxen just in case anyone was in pain or had a headache. I have some gum. Back here I have gloves wrapped back here. Claritin for children. I've had to use this a few times, that's why it's opened. Tylenol for kids, chewables. This one is actually children's Claritin chewables. If I have a child, or sometimes I watch my niece, if they're colicky, here's some drops. I have children's liquid Tylenol. And then back here I have, because the bottle was just so big, it was half empty, so I usually put like a little Ziploc bag. I put the instructions in case whoever has it with the expiration date, and this. I usually go through this every 6 months to replenish and to check expiration dates. So I went through it already. Everything's up to date, no problem. And that's how I organize my tackle box in the trunk. It's come in handy. I went to a birthday party, a kid's birthday party, and a toddler had eaten peanut butter for the first time, started getting hives right away. so I had this in my trunk, and luckily she took it and she was fine. And I'll show you where it fits in the car, and I'll show you the rest of the car organization. So this is our trunk in our Highlander, Toyota Highlander. I keep the tackle box we reviewed over here. These are baby earphones for noise canceling. So that's like when Sophia, my daughter, she's a toddler, 2 years old, when she's taking a nap and we go to church or we go to a noisy restaurant, we put those on her. I have gloves back there just in case. This red bag is reusable grocery bags. In California and the Palm Springs area, they charge for grocery bags. So let's talk about this actual bin. I got this bin from Costco. It's pretty old. So in there I have extra diapers, a clean bed sheet if she needs it, if she's cold, a changing pad for on the go. You never know when you have dirty clothes or an accident, so I have these Ziploc gallon bags. Whenever she goes to daycare, sometimes they run out of diapers or wipes, so I have a backup right here. And I just hand it to the teacher so that I don't forget it for next week. She goes to both daycare and preschool. These are monthly girl things, and I have 1 liter water bottles just in case. And if for any reason we have impromptu swim, here's a 1 swim diaper. And just like a trash bag. And then behind all this stuff, so let's go and take this part out. So we have this organizer back here. So if she, for any reason, so on this side, I have Sophia's clothes, like a filing system in this cubby. She has 3 outfits, pant, a top, and a sock. Same thing here, pant, top, socks, and right here too. And the reason being is because if my brother's watching her or she dirties her clothes at daycare, I have already a clean set. I have extra hair ties for her, and then like an extra top and bottom. And then moving on to this side here are my extra clothes. So I work in an office, so I have like a nice dress pant and top, and then I have here like a underwear casual pant and a top with some socks. So I've had to use that a couple of times. Umbrella on that side, and I have gloves just in case for any reason. This is where I usually sit, in the passenger side on the second row. And this is just actually a shoe rack organizer held onto by Velcro straps that I got in the arts and crafts section at Walmart. To help organize all my diapers, wipes, Ziploc bags, sanitizing wipes, trash bags, spoons, forks. This is good for long road trips. I actually keep it there on the daily. So okay, so the reason why I don't have a headrest here is because when I sit in the back, I want to see out in the front what's happening. So my husband used this military grade wrap and just did a quick circle around. These we got 3-pack, I think on eBay, and you hook your purse right here. These Velcro straps my brother actually got at Walmart, I think in the arts and crafts section. It just hooks it. So these usually hang on the wall, but I have here Kleenex tissue and then actual nice thick napkins. And then when we're on the go for long trips, which we just came back from, I have spoons here and then forks, and then I pre-rolled forks and spoons and napkins. So like, let's say we're on a picnic or impromptu eating, we're ready. Working on the second row, diapers, wipes, diapers, so I can change in the car. And then down here, we were going to Big Bear up the mountain. If you're not familiar, there's snow there in California. It's a windy road. My daughter got car sick and then started projectile vomiting. I had these bags ready. I had my Clorox wipes ready. I had my gloves ready and Ziploc bags for any messes. So there you go. And then emergency, like, I love this thing. This is a, if you can see, it's a nose Frida. Suction My Baby, has filters in there. And then underneath the gloves, if we're somewhere that needs something needs to be clean, I have a sponge here. And then like Palmolive, there you go, and sponge. So this has been a lifesaver. I used to pump in the Highlander because there is a actual plug, and I'll show you that in just a sec. Hold on, let me put this back. Okay. All right, down below here, there is like the US plug, and I would plug my pump in there and pump in the back. We did a road trip from Southern California to San Fran. It took us like 9 hours, but I pumped in the car. You can't use like a curling iron in here, but like a mini thing. So anywho, this is my daughter's side where she hangs out forward facing, and I have her little backpack here. I have busy toys in here for her. So like when you open it up here, hold on, it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so like I got this at the Dollar Tree. It keeps her busy. It's just like this glitter. It's supposed to be like a koozie, right, for coffee, but she just puts it like a bracelet, and then she does that for a long time. And then she has, what else? We have like a book in here, and then like it's like a bubble gun. You put the bubbles in there, and then it squirts there. And then usually I have like little snacks in there for her. These hook things, we put her diaper bag, we hang it there, or whatever else needs to be hung. These I got from the Dollar Tree, so this keeps her busy. They're just stickers. She loves Vampirina. Coloring books with stickers keep her busy. And then I actually have this in here too. This folder. I got it from Dollar Tree. And so let's say I'm on the go and I'm going shopping, and the receipts, I don't know if I'm going to return the item. I put the receipt there. Next row, I have a lot of Bed Bath & Beyond coupons here. Can't even focus there. Next row, we have tax deductibles. So let's say I get a prescription from the pharmacy, I can put it towards tax deductibles, or if I donate for a thrift shop, I put it here. And then food promo, so it's like our coupons to eat, to go, like, you know, it's all in there. So I keep that actually either behind here, the driver's seat, or behind this thing. Actually, back here we have, it should be on the other side. This should be over here. This is her, you know, etcher sketcher. And then this goes back here. So yeah, that's how I keep the car organized. I put her little shoes down here. You always have to have backup shoes because you never know if you're going to get a flat, you know, we call them flat tires, but her shoe breaks, or we put her in the car and then we forget her shoes. We have 2 pairs down here. Also, with the clothes in the back, in the filing system, I always do it per season, so quarterly, because if it gets too hot, you want to make sure you have the right clothes for the right weather attire. Okay, let's move it to the front. Nothing fancy on the driver's side of the door. We have an umbrella just in case it rains, which it rarely does in the desert, or if it's too sunny. A couple of pens, napkins, facial tissue, and you never know if you need a measuring tape for any reason, like Home Depot runs, or we find furniture that we like. Okay, so it's pretty clear over here. You can put your sunglasses here. I usually put my chapstick here. Sunglasses over there. This is really a lifesaver. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I use this as a trash can. Because you know, when you're eating snacks or gum wrappers or whatever, you don't want to just like throw it everywhere here. This is my trash can. Great. Okay, so in the middle console, it's gonna be messy, but okay, so this is what's in my middle console. Let's go one by one. Trash bag. This is my full face makeup bag. That's emergency. Eyeshadow. Hand sanitizer. Another thing of Clorox wipes. You never know when you're gonna need some scissors. This is just a regular, box. Here's that mini flat iron I was talking about, that if I'm on the go and my hair is out of control, I can plug this in the back and just flat iron my hair. You never know when you're gonna need extra tape. Here's some packaging tape to send a package. Deodorant, you gotta be fresh. Pads for those monthly things. Eyeglass. I got this at the Dollar Tree, their eyeglass container, so I actually put my extra eyeglasses in there. And then this has Halse in there if we have like a sore throat. And then back here we have a bunch of birthday cards for emergency, like if we need to mail something out with a birthday gift, or we're going to a party, we forget a birthday card. There you go. So, how do you like my middle console organization? Well guys, I hope you liked my mom hack today, and if you have any other suggestions, leave it down on the comment box below, and I look forward to reading all of your suggestions. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!